So I'm using iceberg lettuce, but you can use whatever type of greens you want. It doesn't really matter. I used to be one of those people that thought fruit doesn't belong in salads. Just bear with me, okay? I'm adding grapes, and I like to chop them in half personally, but do whatever floats your boat. I realized the original Newk salad doesn't have avocado, but I thought it added a nice flair to it, so I'm adding that. I know it sounds weird adding just soft tofu by itself, but honestly, tofu acts like a flavor sponge and it absorbed all the taste from my salad dressing. It was freaking amazing and it added textural variety just like the feta cheese adds in the original salad. I also added roasted tofu, which I seasoned the way I normally season my chicken. And I added Roma tomatoes chopped up. I usually use cherry tomatoes, but I was just using whatever I had. And lastly, artichokes, which really, besides the walnuts, both of these just pull everything together along with the dressing. I love nuts, so I added almonds and I'm using this raspberry vinaigrette. And it's not limey enough for me, so I took the liberty of adding a dash more of that. And I freaking love this salad. It is so good. If you love the Newk salad or if you're into like Mediterranean like fruit-ish salads, please try this out. Vegan food is not gross, okay?